So I'm constantly on the move, whether it be for live sound, DJing, beat making, or recording on the go. But how do I carry everything? So I've only seen this like a couple of times on YouTube, and I want to start it. What's in my freaking bag?
You know we gonna make it fresh.
So this is my bag that I usually carry on a daily basis. It actually is big enough to hold my MK3. And that's one of the reasons why I got it, because carrying this around all the time can be cumbersome. Even though it's a great case, I kind of just only use it at home. So we're gonna pack up the bag and I'm gonna show you guys what's in my freaking bag. So let's talk about the front pocket. So in the front pocket is usually where I store my headphones in my everyday use. So these are the headphones that I have. These are the Sony MDR 7506. These are really good studio headphones, or just regular headphones in general. The next thing I have are hard drives. This hard drive here is the Toshiba, and I'm gonna place it down here. This is the Toshiba 2 terabyte. It's not an SSD, but it's a regular SATA drive. I always have little trinkets like pins and SD cards for, you know, filming purposes and stuff like that. So let's talk about the main pocket. And this pocket actually extends pretty far. So let's talk about what's in these pockets first. What's in here is the cable that I use for the MK3. And then I also have a drum key. Whenever I do live sound, I always want to have a drum key, so just in case the drummer doesn't have one, I always have one. This is my audio interface. This is the Evo 8. I haven't done a review on it, and I need to pretty soon because this thing has been holding me down since I got it. And then on to the big boy. This is the MK3. Of course, you guys know how I feel about the MK3. It is so beautiful. So that's the big pocket. And now for the last pocket. I'm gonna flip the bag over for this. When I get into the back pocket, this is the laptop sleeve. So, of course, trusty dusty 2015. It's time for an upgrade, I know, but it's been holding me down, and I'll probably get an upgrade just for video work, and this will still be my audio software because I don't have any problems with this. And then I have this trusty notebook. Like if I want to jot down lyrics or just ideas for not only studio work but video ideas as well. It's always good to be old school and write stuff down. Make sure your hands are still usable. So that's what's in my bag. We're gonna do an old school thing that I haven't done in a while. We're gonna make a beat and then I'll see you guys on the next one. Let me know if you liked what's in my bag. Let me know what's in your bag in the comment section. I would really like to know. Also leave a like button and also subscribe. Hit that notification bell. We're going to 2,000. We're almost there, and I would like to see you a part of it.